Hello, I'm Juliette, your wildlife expert, and welcome to the local Safari Challenge. I'll be setting you lockdown challenges you can do in your garden or when you're out doing your daily exercise. Today's challenge is a plant safari. How many different types of plant can you find? Trees, flowers, bushes, grasses, and how will you record what you find? You could do a leaf rubbing, a flower pressing, make a drawing, create a collage. You could put your work together to make a colourful poster or create your own plant book. And now we have 4 teams from across Birmingham who are about to do just that. Let's say hello to Adam and Bethan in Balsall Heath, Remy and Theo in Bearwood, Henry, Barney and Ted in Kings Heath, and Lily in Selly Park. Are you ready for your challenge, teams?
Yeah. Game on. Let's go.
Brilliant. Get out there, see what you can find, and then come back and tell me all about it.
Let's get going. Yes. I'm going to get it in my face.
This plant is called cleavers or sticky weed. It has hooked hairs to stick onto animal fur. You might have had it stuck onto your jumper. It's also known as goosegrass because it can be fed to geese.
These are chives. They are very tasty. We have potatoes.
These are my chives. I eat them too much. It tastes like garlic. All of it's edible but the roots. You can eat up to here. This is the only edible part. Very nice.
This is a wild raspberry. It has a spiky stem. The raspberry fruit are just starting to develop.
These are strawberry plants. So this is flower. From flowering they turn into fruit. And the fruit look a bit like that without the leaves.
This is fresh sage, which smells very nice and it is very good in meals. That is beige.
So it's bay.
It's bay.
This is some mint here. And this is some borage. Here's our beetroot. I don't know what these are, but these are roseberries and they smell nice. If you eat these leaves, you will probably die because they're poisonous.
At the bottom of the hedge are these pinky purple flowers. These are called Herb Robert. I really like the leaves of these flowers as well. It looks like Lily has found some too.
Can I find some more?
I'll take one of these and press it for my poster.
These are beautiful flowers. They are bluebells. We've got some bluebells here, then more like purple bells actually.
In fact, bluebells come in a range of different colours.
Bluebells only they're white.
Not very nice.
Did you know that their root sap was used to glue feathers onto arrows in the Middle Ages?
Can you guess why they're called bluebells? Yes, you got it. Because they look like bells.
Dandelion seed heads are also known as dandelion clocks. Each seed has its own little hairy parachute that helps it to fly up to 5 miles. They pop up all over the garden.
These are buttercups. If something yellow shows up on my chin, that means that I like butter.
Dandelion leaves are long and pointy. That's how a dandelion gets its name. It comes from Dandelion, which is French for lion's tooth. I'm going to take one of these and sketch it for my poster.
This is a apple tree, but I'm not going to take any because I don't want to ruin it.
I've come to the back of my garden where there are some trees. This one's hawthorn. The wavy edges of the leaves are called lobes.
This old sycamore right here, we have buds that become flowers.
This is a beech tree. It's very tall. Beech trees are sometimes called queen beeches.
Here is our local sycamore.
That will make it spin down like a helicopter coming to land. This is evergreen. Ever means always, and green just means green. So always green.
And this is one of my favourite trees. This is the lilac with its beautiful purple flowers. I like the way there's a little square shape in the middle of the petals. I'm going to take one of these and press it for my poster. put my leaf upside down on the scrap paper so that the veins are really clear. And then I place a piece of plain paper over the top. So as I rub with my crayon, holding it still, can you see how the veins are starting to appear? And I can see the outline of the leaf.
Buttercups. These are going flower. A lot of glue. And then we got this. Fresh cut.
And what are you going to do with them?
Why not try and make a collage using leaves or petals to build a picture? I've made a daisy. For the middle parts, I used old daffodils and then the white petals that had fallen from the apple blossom.
Paint the blue one. What's just not flower that's going to press. And just dip towards. Lilac! Buttercups.
Another brilliant safari, teams. I've finished my poster. So let's see how you got on with your challenge.
We went for a walk and we collected some flowers. So I have 3 bluebells.
We found these wild garlic on our way back from Cannon Park.
We decided to make some flower pressings, so we put them in this book. 1 purple flower. So I've got the sycamore leaf, lilac leaf and lilac flower. This is my poster.
Well done, Henry.
Thank you very much, sir. I enjoyed the walk. It was really nice. I even drew a picture. Look at it. It's really funny. Number 2.
So now it's over to you. What will you find on your safari?
I just had the most fabulous idea, but we couldn't fit it on. Can you imagine if we got to put clouds on? There's 1 cloud, there's 2 clouds, and here is